Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys don't know who I am, I'm Geraldine Silva, and I make videos all about slip of life, organization, planner videos. So if that's your type of jam, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell so you do know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Geraldine Silva. Today's video is me organizing my bathroom closet. So this is the closet that's right next to the restroom. The restroom's right there. So I just call this the bathroom closet, even though it's like just a hallway closet. And as you can tell, like, it's just really unorganized and just disgusting looking in there. So I want to take some time out of my day to organize all of that, and I thought I would film it and show you guys what it is that I do, or how I organize it and declutter it and all that jazz. So, another thing too is that I'm starting to do a stockpile. I don't want to be like those like hoarding people on like YouTube or just have like a really big stockpile. I really want to have a small minimalistic, if that's even what I could describe it, stockpile, where it's literally just the things that we use and just the things that we need. Because I'm starting to coupon, but I don't want to coupon like things that we don't need, like have a bunch of toothbrushes and like random things that we don't use, like brands that we don't use. I literally just want to coupon for the brands that we do use and the things that we do actually like. Because I don't want to just like have stuff in here that we don't, that's never going to be used. I don't want to hoard anything. I just want to coupon for things that we actually need. Anyways, so we're gonna get started. The first things first is I'm gonna go ahead and organize or take everything out from these three sides, and then reorganize it in a much nicer way. So this is just my little like skincare that I use every single day. So yeah, I want to like redo all that. Everything out from the top drawer. I'm just gonna spray it down and just clean it up real quick. I'm gonna take everything out from here because I think I might do, because I have wipes back there. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna put like the wipes and stuff maybe up here. Yeah, okay, we're just gonna take everything out from in here as well. So what I think I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna add, I have this box full of things that I consider my extras. That'll have things like extra toothbrushes, extra soaps, extra toothpaste, things of that sort. So this is like the extra box though. I think I'm going to keep up at the top because I want to keep like a stockpile up here of things that we have, like extras. So for now we're gonna leave this extra box in here, and we forgot the wipes later. Down here I'm gonna put my skincare stuff, my hair care stuff too. Alrighty, so this is the skincare little box that I have. Not my favorite thing that I have for organization, but it works for now. I don't really have any other thing to put my skincare things in and keep it like all nice and clustered like this. I might buy a little tray later on, but as of right now, this is what works for me. I also have this box too where I keep all of my hair care stuff. I'm just gonna move it back. I don't like this at all. This is not a situation that works for me, so I'm gonna not use this box. I'm gonna take only the stuff that I use literally every single day. So my heat protectant, this little Garnier Fructis thing, my hairbrush, and this. Everything else I literally don't use, and I hate this box so much. It just takes up so much room, and I'm gonna figure out where else I can put all of that stuff because, like I said, I don't utilize it at all, and it's just taking up space. And then I have my hair straightener that I'm gonna put back here. I also have my facial steamer, and then this box just holds a bunch of my hair care stuff, so I'm going to put this back here. Actually, I'll just put it on top of this. Ta-da! So I put the box that we have, the colognes, and then we have this like first aid kit, some like nail cutting things. We have a lot of that all in here. So as far as this first station goes, I think it's alright. And then my skincare stuff, I think it's just a little bit better too, just because I have everything that I need just like accessible. I could just like grab what I need without having to dig around too much. As far as this last one goes, we have like toilet paper back there, which once we buy toilet paper again, it's gonna get filled. So this little area I'm not gonna worry too much. It was just like these two. Right now what I'm going to work on is this top drawer, which I don't know exactly how I'm going to film that, because I need to take all the stuff that's in the front out, so I can organize it much better, and I can have the little stockpile going. and so that I'm able to take things out more accessibly than how we have it right now. So I'm gonna take all this stuff out. Yeah. Now we're gonna go back here, and I'm gonna start putting in this stuff and pushing it back. So that's about it for today. So it's not like aesthetically pleasing in any way, but it's more organized and less cluttered in there, I guess. I mean, it's still cluttered, but it's a lot more organized, and we're able to see like what we have, type of thing. So if you guys like this type of video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also click the notification bell so you know when I do upload, and follow me on all my social media. I'm at Silva. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Mwah.